Alright. Everyone say something again.
Something.
Oh my god. You guys are the
What, we
worst.
did what you asked. We
No,
followed
something.
instructions.
Actually, you didn't say something again, so you failed the test. I'm sorry.
Something
Something
again.
You're all
again.
expelled
Something.
from
Oh, my
CGA.
cat's here. Mimi.
Oh my
My
god.
cat's here.
Man, I love pussy.
Okay.
I got that on record, Alex.
Oh shit, were you recording that?
Of course, I was testing the
Oh
audio.
no.
Hey guys, Cool Guys and Alex Sucks here. Back with another video.
When?
Oh. Today we have well, Alex couldn't make it today, but we have a replacement. Say
Yeah,
hi, new
I'm
Alex.
Hello.
Lol, bad.
Wow.
So today we have Alex, we have Ed, we have Louise,
Hello.
and we have Ryan. Sadly, Will could not make it today. Today we're reading questionable comments.
Wait, don't give me anything I can't say while
Okay.
sitting in the kitchen.
The cock is so small, lol. Smaller than mine, and I'm only 12. Also, that content was weak as fuck. When I came on my girlfriend's face, it literally covered her LMFAO.
You guys are gonna
You're
piss me off.
Oh my god.
Okay. I'm wet.
I'm dad.
The way he says it is disturbing.
It is. It really is.
I'm making coffee.
Do you all
I'm
shit
drinking
like
coffee.
Daddy
Oh my
Scooby-Doo?
Shut up!
I'm gonna find more amazing.
Why you can get the coffee machine?
Oh
was
my
farting.
Oh god. We're still finding it now. It's so underprepared.
Hey, shut up.
I know,
It's
right?
the first time. Wow, who is she?
I made this account only to tell you the answer. She is your mom.
Wow, thanks, Ed. Thanks.
I did the one.
Okay, yeah, that wasn't necessary.
Yeah, that was not necessary.
Girls, she's wearing the same outfit as me. Boys, bro, this dick. Oh my god, bro, this dick looks like mine. LMAO.
No, you gotta do the creepy pedo laugh that makes me does.
Hey there.
Shit, I can do
That's just his normal laugh.
Haha, why does she look like my mom? Wait. Wait.
That pause was good.
Yeah, that was comedic
Wait.
timing.
Yes.
Comedian.
Okay,
Yeah.
you can stop now.
You
You know, at 1:40 a.m., I'm telling you to get the fuck to bed because you're gonna pass out.
That sounds kind of weird without context.
Oh shit. Yeah, go to your
Why
naughty corner.
pass out when you can pass away?
Oh, Jesus.
I pass your exams
Wow.
when you can pass away.
Eat my meat.
What the fuck?
Okay.
What
Is that
the
a
hell?
comment or like is he just saying that?
He's just saying random stuff.
That's just him.
Wait, I've got a funny one. Oh, wait, look at this.
Oh, you got a funny
You're
one.
funny.
Funny how?
May God have mercy on my meat. May God have mercy on my meat. Because I won't.
Oh my god.
Oh, God.
Dude, the way he says it.
No, you. No, you.
I'm tired of jacking off. I just want to be loved.
First step is to delete the anime avatar.
Damn it.
No, I was
Someone
gonna
like
say
this.
hi, tired of jacking off. I just want to be loved.
You just start
You're the
talking to
one who said
yourself.
Best try not to come challenge. Must watch. Rough. Compilation.
Pretty easy if you don't have nuts. F you, vet.
The username.
Even if I die, you'll still ignore me.
Okay, Louise.
Okay, I like to fuck like I fuck. I knew that. Sorry, I don't know how to speak English. I like to fuck like I like my Brexit. Hard, unplanned, and messy.
By Conservative Party. Freaking
Oh, no, I was
verified.
trying to say it in the
Always
accent, but then I
have
forgot
that.
how to speak the language.
How many times
Mm.
have you gone on anime depressed quiz? I've gone there like 3 times.
Okay.
No, I just googled depressing anime questions and scroll through Google Images.
Wow, she's perfect. I need a girl like this. I wouldn't leave the bedroom. Absolutely amazing.
You probably already don't leave the bedroom.
Ooh. Yeah, right. That's right. I'm sorry.
Oh
Well, that hits a little close to
I mean, I just say,
No, why doesn't it open?
what is that title?
Why doesn't it open? Please.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
No.
I now have a goal in life. Fuck someone's mum. Update. I did it, boys, but now my brother looks at me funny. Oh.
The first one, no.
I'll do the
No.
second one. Louise, please say the first one.
No, for legal reasons I
Please.
cannot. No, for legal reasons I cannot. No,
Wait.
Ryan has a cat. Ryan has a
Louise
cat.
needs to say the first one.
It is true
Ryan,
that Ryan has a
Ryan.
cat. Ryan, you gotta say it.
What? I'm illiterate. I literally can't read.
Yeah, me neither.
God.
I just see. I
what?
accidentally. I can't read that word. What does it say?
I'll
I
say it.
accidentally nutted on my cat.
Should
Thanks
cancel
a
you.
lot, guys.
Thank you. Heart emoji.
His dick is small.
Why are you looking?
Oh my god. You want the sad truth? Even if I try to forget you, I always love you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is a confession.
Yes, thank you, babe.
Yeah, I love you, Alex.
Oh, I love you, darling.
No homo.
Whoa, are you
course
cheating on
not.
Sebastian?
Not lesbian or Australian.
Ooh.
I came so hard, I think I ejaculated my spinal fluid instead of cum. Fucking perfect ass, smooth designer fucker.
I think you should go to the hospital.
Spinal fluid, scoliosis be like.
Just ate a real nice grapefruit. At least 6.5 out of 10. Way too many seeds, but otherwise good texture, juice and flavor.
Damn, son. Sounds like you. Sounds like an overall pleasant grapefruit experience.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Jesus. Oh
I
no,
wouldn't
someone's
want Ed to
coming
be an
downstairs.
Oh no, why is she sucking a 4-inch cock? What a shame.
Ooh, so you can feel like it's you getting sucked up. Ooh.
Ooh,
God.
imagine having a 50-kilometer cock.
Whoa, Alex.
And-
Yeah, I
calm
know,
down,
right?
calm
I
down.
don't need.
Matt 531. She's so hot.
Nay Hitler 69420 says, "Hell is hotter, you fucking sinner. Stop jerking off and read the Bible."
Damn.
No,
True
fine,
words.
Mom.
I wanna die.
I wanna die. Wait, that doesn't even make sense.
It makes no sense.
Yeah, it makes no sense.
Hello, vegans. If pigs are so smart, why do 66% of them build houses with unaffected stupid materials? Checkmate.
My boy asking the real questions out here.
Wait, I think this is an allusion to that popular fable.
Whoa,
Was it the
what's
big bad-
analysis?
The big bad wolf.
It'd be sounding like the English department right now. Thanks, dude.
No problem. Can I go take a leak?
Sure thing, Ed, sure thing. Just
Oh,
that being
don't
Remember
make
recorded?
it
turn on video before you leave.
Wait, what?
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 What? If every load I blew thanks to Corey Chase vaccinated one person for the coronavirus, the entire world would have autism. I'm not a terrorist. No.
Yeah, no.
Ed, you can say this since you're back.
I'm not back, I'm Ed.
Oh my god.
Don't come back, go away.
Say the
House.
username. Say it.
Yeah, say the username.
100 likes and I'll tell my
You
crush
didn't
I
say the
like her.
username.
I need homework help 1. 100 likes and I
Oh my God.
Ew.
Do you have a speech
He's illiterate.
impediment?
100 likes and it'll tell my crush I like her.
Oh my God.
She said she likes me too. Smiley face. Thank you guys. Praying hand.
That's so
Oh
bad.
yeah.
The way that he reads it out.
Threesome.
Yeah, bro. When and where? Kung Fu or Kung Fu?
Jesus Christ.
Okay, Alex.
When your stepbrother accidentally slips his penis in your no-no.
There are no accidents. Master Uguay 420. Uguay, more like you gay.
Yeah, you.
God damn, I have a small.
We know you do. I was reaching down to pull up my underwear so I could nut in it to avoid the mess, but then I was too slow and I shot my load directly in my face and it got my eyes and it hurt like a motherfucker.
Friendly fire.
No anal, you dipshit.
Sometimes it can be hard to convince them to do it. But you know what else is hard? This Mario Maker 2 course I made of LKP-7X6-7KF.
Everyone, you're welcome to try that.
40 minutes. Michelle is gonna be home by the time this ends, but definitely not Obama.
Secret Service will deal with it, sir.
I ain't gay, but if I was, I'd be gay.
Whoa. Facts,
Whoa.
bro. Facts.
For every like, I get 1 nut a day. I think Hi, dying.
Oh my god, you had to do it.
Oh my god,
It
his
was Obama.
username on my way
I
to
was
fuck you,
Obama.
bitch. Damn, I gotta show Michelle this one.
Sir, I'm glad we can finally meet online.
Oh, thanks, bro.
Someone please explain why there's a share button on porn websites.
For the
Oi, for
boys.
the boys.
For the boys.
Yeah, the boys.
Wait a minute, you're not a boy. The age-old question is, we all know Alex sucks, but what does Alex suck?
I sucked your
Sure.
mom.
Okay. Are you too, Kevin?
Remember once when my dad gave me money to pay the electricity bill, but instead I bought a raffle ticket for a brand new car. When I got home, I explained to my dad what I did and he beat the crap out of me. The next day, when my dad woke up and opened the door, outside my house was a brand new car. We all cried, especially me, because the car was from the electricity company. They were there to cut off the electricity. My dad beat the crap out of me again.
My girl's a daddy.
Jesus.
Your girl isn't real.
Ooh, yeah, I'm pretty sure she's
That's
2D.
a low blow. Nice boobies when they appeared. I had the bone penis. From
Love it.
Long Cock Lover 11.
Oh yeah.
Just gotta point that out.
With all these e-girls and e-boys, I just want to be enough.
Ooh.
Oh, hit him with a dab.
Don't worry, you
beautiful.
never will.
I wanna be
That is
Eden.
beautiful. That doesn't make any sense.
Maybe illegal.
How do we do an outro, guys?
Hi,
Instead of-
my name's
Oh my
Charmin.
god.
You should say bye.
Thanks for
Like
watching.
YouTuber outro. Yeah, like the thing that he always does, it's like the
Yeah, guys, that's super.
Well, thanks for watching.
Yeah,
Alex sucks.
that's not very nice.
Mega Nani the fuck Omaya just fucking imasu about Watashi you choose
Shut the
like
When
Watashi
did
had
we
another
go?
note that Watashi graduated top of Watashi and class
Wee.
in Nihongo 3 and Watashi has been involved in Iroiro na Nihongo tutoring lectures
Wee.
Oh my god.
sessions and Watashi have over 300 perfect test scores. Watashi am trained in kanji and Watashi is the ichiban letter writer in all of Southern California. Anata anani monai to Watashi, but just another weirdo. Watashi will korosu anata the fuck out with vocabulary with the likes of which.
Ah, some good coffee.